Hey, good morning. It's Monday morning. Donald Mo's Electrical Services. We're doing a preliminary walkthrough. 4,000 square foot home, Villanova, Pennsylvania. So, new buyers are moving in about a month, maybe a month and a half. Some sewer stacks have to get removed, so we're going to be on top of the plumbers. But for the most part, you're looking at a 4,000 square foot home. No floor protection is needed because the floors are going to get refinished. So, no ram board. We will be patching, I believe, at the end. If we won't patch, the project manager will bring someone in to patch. So it's hit or miss on that one. But let's walk it, and you can take a look at this one. Nice little cul-de-sac here. Let's just... I believe the home was built in the 40s. Foyer area. Gotta love the teal. Alright. Now we'll be doing a lighting design in here. We'll start off with the dining room. These will be coming down. All right. So we're gonna go through, we'll go into the great room. So check this out. Pretty cool. Nice little step light there. This is the main staircase. There is a butler's staircase going around back. We'll show that as well. All right, kitchen. And again, this preliminary walkthrough, this whole house is going to be getting gutted and repaired. All right, this is the butler's staircase. Let's go up that. We'll start in the butler room and there make our way around. So we would have butler bathroom. This would be, I guess, like a little living room. All right. We then have, I guess, the butler bedroom. A laundry room of some sort. This is the first room, so this is... So this is the first bedroom of the main house. All right. Nice size closet. Jack and Jill bathroom. Just looking for that switch. There she is. All right. This is the master bathroom, master bedroom. Shoe rack, nice little walk-in closet. Then we have master bath. Who doesn't like a yellow toilet seat? All right. Still have one more bedroom. All right. And here's the upper part of the foyer. So that's about a 4,000 square foot walkthrough. We have about 3 weeks to do it. Not a big deal. No floor protection has to go down. So this is just a really nice rewire. They will have a lighting design going in here. So I'll try to make another video of the lighting design and everything else that we're putting in here. Thank you for watching. God bless. Take care. Bye-bye.